using my Craftsman riding lawnmower with a Honda engine. Turning it over, nothing happening. No clicking sound, nothing. Let's check it out, see if we can find out what's wrong. This is a Craftsman YT3000 riding lawnmower with a Honda engine. Now this year I changed the battery out and we checked, we have added fresh gas here. The second day it wouldn't start. I couldn't figure out why. So check the gas, check the oil, and I checked the battery here. This battery is a different one from the original one. The original one had the post up front here. So it's hard to get the post tight underneath the shroud here. Less room to work here. So I checked the post, clean all the posts, make sure they're okay. But it wouldn't start. It wouldn't make even a clicking sound. Nothing when I turned the key. So I thought I better check the battery again. This is a 16.5 horsepower engine. So we checked the battery here. Shows 12.8 here, so I know it wasn't the battery. The battery's still okay here. 12.8 on the multimeter. When I turned the key, there was no clicking sound whatsoever. Usually if you have a bad solenoid, you'll hear a clicking sound. So I checked the solenoid out on the Honda here, and it's a little different from regular solenoids here. There's the boot that covers the one part of the solenoid here. I did find some grass built up inside that boot there. I cleaned it all off. So I kind of checked the solenoid out here. Hopefully it wasn't a solenoid, because this solenoid is more than just a solenoid. It's the whole part you have to buy here, very expensive. So let's check out other things. Because there's no clicking sound when I turned the key, I thought that maybe the fuse was burnt for some reason. So I checked the fuses, the 20 amp fuse located underneath the battery compartment here. Checked the fuse with the multimeter, and the fuse was okay. There's nothing wrong with the fuse. So this 20 amp fuse is different from a car fuse. You have to get a special 20 amp fuse for a riding lawnmower. So the fuse is okay, so I had to go to the next step. Now, I noticed that the key is a little bit sloppy here. You turn the key, but nothing would happen. No clicking sound whatsoever. Here's the original Craftsman key, had a spare key. So I tried a spare key. Maybe it's not going in enough. So when I first turned it here, I heard a clicking sound. And I said, oh, maybe it's going to turn. And as you see, it started right away here. So it was a key. The key was the problem here. The key is inserted but not far enough. It was turning but not making contact. So I pushed the key as far as I could, and then it started. If you insert your key and you turn it, have no sound, check your key switch may have to be changed. Try to start your lawnmower. There's no clicking sound. It could be a bad ignition switch. Now check your manual. This is number 30. Number 30 says 193350. That's the part number you need to look for on Amazon. Now this particular switch that I bought has 2 keys with it. You can get just the switch itself, and use your original keys here. So I'll be doing a full review and switching out this on my riding lawnmower. Look for that in the next couple of weeks. So please subscribe to my channel. It doesn't cost you a thing, and it helps grow my channel. I'd like to thank all my subscribers. Thanks for taking the time to watch the video today. Have a great one, people.